Guys, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today I'll show you a very tasty recipe. I think you will guess. It's mushroom pulav, and let's see how to make it. Come, let's go to my kitchen. These are the ingredients to make mushroom pulav. 6 green chilies chopped, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 small bowl of curd, 4 big onions chopped, little bit of mint leaf and mushrooms. I have chopped 1 mushroom into 4 pieces, 3 glasses of rice. For 1 glass of rice I am using 2 glasses of water. I have taken the water, I have added enough salt for the rice, and now let's see how to make. Before that I will show you the dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon garam masala, little bit of turmeric powder. I am not adding chili powder. If you want you can add. I don't want it spicy, so I am not adding chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 4 tablespoons coriander powder. These are the dry ingredients. And now we will see how to make it. Now I am switching the flame on. When the vessel is nice and hot, I am adding 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is nice and hot, I am adding the onions. See, the onion is turning into golden brown. Now I am adding the ginger garlic paste. Stir it until the raw smell goes. Now I am adding the mint leaves. The ginger garlic paste is cooked well now. The raw smell has gone, and now I am adding green chilies. And I will give a good mix. Now I will add tomatoes. Give it a mix. And I will cover it with the lid so that the tomatoes get cooked for a few minutes. Now we will check whether the tomato is cooked. Give it a mix. The tomatoes are cooked. See, it's so soft. And now we'll add the mushrooms. Here I am adding the mushrooms. And now I'll give a good mix and close it for a few minutes, 3 to 2 minutes, so that the mushroom gets cooked. Now we'll see how the mushroom is cooked. See, the water has come from the mushroom. Now we'll add the masalas and add salt and cook it for a few more minutes. Coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt as much as needed for the mushroom. For the rice I have added in the water. Let's give it a mix. See, the mushroom has lot of water in it. So let it get cooked for a few more minutes. I'll cover it. Meanwhile, in another stove, I have kept the water to boil so that we can cook the rice. Now we'll check. And now we'll add the curd. This curd is not that much sour. The curd is sour, add a little bit less quantity. Once again we'll boil it. The mushrooms are still raw. The masala is almost cooked. Now I'll shift it to a bowl and broil the rice in ghee. When the vessel is nice and hot, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. The ghee is melting. And now I'll add the spices. I have crushed 2 cardamoms, clove and 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks. Now I'll add the rice. And I'm keeping the water in a high flame so that it will boil soon. I'll broil the rice well. Here I'm adding biryani leaf. And let the rice broil well. The water is boiling and now first we'll add the masala and mix it. Mix it well and then we'll add the boiling water. Now I'll just mix it and cover it with the lid and let the rice get boiled. Now we'll check the rice is cooked. See, it's cooked well and we'll check it. Yeah, it's ready to serve. If the recipe is tasty, like, comment and share. Tell them to like. Like, comment.
Share this video.
Yeah, share this video with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Until next, take care. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye to them. Say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye. Bye bye.
See our video too.
See the video.
So many times you see it.
Tell me.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye bye.